Ang pagpili ng tamang web hosting provider ay isa sa most important decision na gagawin mo when building a successful website. Ang magandang hosting service ay tinitiyak na maayos ang takbo ng website mo, mabilis mag-load at laging online nang walang interruptions. Sa video natin ngayon, i-compare natin ang dalawang kilalang hosting providers, A2 Hosting and Namecheap. Both providers offer great features but cater to different types of users based on your website goals, budget, and technical experience. We're going to go over an overview ng features, pros and cons ng A2 Hosting and Namecheap, pati na rin kung paano mag-sign up. Siguraduhin tapusin ang video dahil ipapakita ko rin kung paano makakakuha ng best price para sa iyong plan. Let's start with the overview of A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting is well known for its speed, reliability, and performance. If you run a high-traffic website, an online store, or a resource-heavy project, A2 Hosting is an amazing option. Their turbo servers are specifically designed to deliver blazing fast page loading speeds, ensuring a better user experience and higher search engine rankings. Isa sa mga standout features ng A2 Hosting ay ang 99.9% uptime guarantee, which means your website stays online na may minimal interruptions. A2 Hosting provides free website migrations and automated backups, making it easier to switch providers or restore lost data. Kung performance, reliability, at customization ang top priorities mo, mahirap talunin ng A2 Hosting. Ngayon, tignan naman natin ang overview ng Namecheap. Ang Namecheap ay kilala sa kanilang domain registration services, pero they also provide ng abot-kayang web hosting. Meron silang iba't ibang hosting plans na nagpapadali sa pagbuo and manage ng websites without breaking the bank. Namecheap's focus on budget-friendly services make it a popular choice for beginner entrepreneurs, bloggers, and small businesses. Their user-friendly dashboard and one-click WordPress installation simplify the website setup process. Habang ang pricing ng Namecheap ay highly competitive, their hosting plans are best for smaller websites that don't require extensive resources. However, their 24/7 customer support and easy-to-use tools make them a great option for anyone new to web hosting. Tignan natin ang ilang mga key features simula sa mga key features ng A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting key features. Ang A2 Hosting ay ginawa para sa performance at bilis. Their turbo servers ensure websites to load quickly, boosting search engine rankings and keeping visitors happy. Their 99.9 uptime guarantee means your site stays online and accessible, which is crucial para sa mga businesses that can't afford any downtime. Ang mga advanced users will also appreciate A2 Hosting's custom server setups. Ang root access at staging environments ay nagbibigay daan for developers na subukan ang mga updates bago ito ay launch ng live. Additionally, free website migrations make transferring your site hassle-free, while automated backups ensure your data is always protected. Global data centers provide fast website loading times no matter where your visitors are located. Ngayon, tignan naman natin ang ilang key features ng Namecheap. Namecheap key features. Namecheap shines with its affordable hosting plans. Ang mga hosting packages nila comes with free domain names, SSL certificates, and privacy protection, reducing extra costs. Ang one-click WordPress installation ay nagpapadali rin ng process ng website setup para sa mga beginners. Their easy-to-use dashboard keeps management simple, even for those without technical experience. They also offer domain management tools, making it easy to keep both your website and domain under one provider. Ang 24/7 customer support ay available sa pamamagitan ng live chat ticketing system, ensuring that you can always get help when you need it. A2 Hosting pros. Ang A2 Hosting ay perfect if you want a website that runs fast and reliably. Ang turbo servers nito ensure lightning-fast loading speeds, creating a better experience for visitors and boosting search engine rankings. Ang 99.9 uptime guarantee ensures minimal downtime. That makes A2 Hosting a strong choice for businesses that need consistent performance. Ang mga advanced user ay magbe-benefit din from features like custom server setups, root access, and staging environments, providing full control over how their website runs. Ang kakayahan mag-transfer ng mga website ng libre at mag-automate ng backup adds even more convenience. A2 Hosting cons. Ang pinakamalaking downside ng A2 Hosting ay ang presyo, lalo na kung kailangan mo ng mga advanced features o pipiliin mo ang mga mas mataas na tier na mga plan. Additionally, beginners may find the platform somewhat challenging to use due to its technical features and complex setup process. Ngayon, tignan naman natin ang ilang mga pros ng Namecheap. Namecheap stands out for its affordable pricing and domain registration services. Ang kanilang user-friendly na dashboard at one-click WordPress installation ay nagpapadali ng setup para sa mga beginners. Free extras like domain names and SSL certificates provide excellent value as well. Ang kanilang domain management tools allows you to handle everything under one account at nasisimplify ang iyong online presence. 24/7 customer support ensures help is always available even if you run into technical issues. Namecheap's cons. Nga lang, ang hosting speed ng Namecheap not match A2 Hosting's turbo servers, which can be a drawback for websites with heavy traffic. Mga plans nila ay better suited for smaller websites at personal projects. Di sabihin yung mga resource-heavy websites, kailangan ng more robust hosting solution. Let's take a look at each of the different plans. What you want to do is go ahead and click the link in the description, tapos click mo yung compare plans. Ngayon makikita natin na meron silang iba't ibang option. Shared hosting. This is great for those who are just getting started with their website and are looking to stay within a budget. Start ito at $2.99 per month and you can save 76% with a 36-month term. WordPress hosting. Magandang option to para sa mga first-time site creators. Their exclusive A2 optimized plugin and Turbo Hub control panel allows you to set up a professional-looking site super fast. Ito ay $11.99 kada buwan. Kung mag-sign up ka para sa 36-month term, you can save 53%. VPS hosting. This VPS hosting gives you ability to control and scale your resources to provide the ideal hosting plan that grows with your needs. Plan na to ay $35.99 per month. Kung mag-sign up ka para sa 12-month term, you can save 53%. Ang huli, ang dedicated hosting plan. This is for when you need the highest level of power and performance for your website. Plan na to ay $129 per month and you can save 43% with a 24-month term. Para magsimula sa A2 hosting, i-click mo ang Get Started. Mula dito, ilagay mo ang iyong pangalan, email address, company name, at address. And you'll enter all the details like your phone number and either type in a domain that you have registered, select a new domain, or skip for now. Pagkatapos, kailangan mong i-configure ang iyong hosting. Pwede mong piliin ang data center na closest sa iyong visitors for maximum speed. Makikita mo na may iba't ibang options dito. Piliin natin ang Arizona. Jetpack is included with this plan, or you can upgrade to Jetpack Backup Daily. Next, ilagay mo yung credit card info mo at kapag tapos na, i-click ang I have read. Bago mo i-click ang pay, siguraduhin piliin ang contract term that works best for you. Here are the options. 1 month is $23.99, 12 months, $17.99, 24 months, $14.99, 36 months, is the best price. Once you're ready, all you have to do is click pay. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if it's not the best fit for you within that time, you can get a full refund. No questions asked. Next, tignan natin ang iba't ibang mga plans ng Namecheap. Nilagay ko ang link sa description kung gusto mong tignan to. Go ahead and click there, then head to hosting. Meron silang different options. Stellar. You can get 56% off and it's just $1.98 per month for the first year. Stellar Business. You can get 47% off and it's just $4.98 per month para sa unang taon, then it goes up to $9.48. Para sa online beginners, meron silang few options and you can save 100% on the first month. Magiging completely free ito sa first month, then goes to $6.88. For small businesses, ito yung mga options. Stellar Business for shared hosting is 47% off. It's just $4.98 per month for the first year, and then it goes to $9.48. Pro for email hosting, free for the first 2 months, and then it's $41.88 per year. Kung hindi ka pa sigurado kung anong plan ang pipiliin, they also have a quiz which is amazing. Ngayon, gusto kong ipakita ang WordPress hosting. Dahil isa ito sa popular na platform, narito yung mga options. EasyWP Starter starts at $2.91 per month and you can save 58% on the first year. Ang most popular choice, ang EasyWP Turbo. Ito ay $4.91 per month para sa unang taon with a discount of 62%, tapos magiging $12.88 after that. Sunod ay ang Easy WordPress Supersonic Plan, which is just $5.74 for the first year, saving you 70%, and then it goes up to $19.88 after that. Kung mas prefer mo magbayad buwan-buwan, it's $19.88 per month. Para mag-sign up, pumili lang ng isang plan. Kakailanganin mo mag-sign up for an account, tapos ilagay mo yung lahat ng info mo, at pagkatapos i-click ang sign up. Again, iniwan ko yung parehas na link in the description, so make sure you check out those and get the best price possible. Ngayon, anong dapat mong piliin? Piliin mong A2 hosting if you need top-tier performance, lightning fast speeds, and advanced customization features for demanding websites or online stores. Piliin mo naman yung Namecheap kung ikaw ay limitado lang sa budget, or nagsisimula pa lang, or nais ng isang simpleng all-in-one hosting solution na kasama ang domain registration and website management. That wraps up this video. Sana nakatulong ang comparison na to para maunawaan mo ang mga pagkakaiba ng A2 hosting at Namecheap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Huwag kalimutan gamitin ang mga links sa description to get started today at makuha yung best deals. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod.